everyone, welcome back. Let's learn how to turn off keyboard sound in iPhone 14 and 14 Pro. Well, for that, you simply first need to go to Settings. First, I want you to listen the typing sound what right now my phone is having. As you can see, there is a sound while I'm typing on my keyboard. Right? So, how to turn it off? For that, scroll down and you can see here sound and haptics. As you can see with the sound icon, there is sounds and haptics. Click onto that, scroll down and here you will see keyboard feedback. Now simply click onto that. As you can see, sound is right now enabled. So simply disable or turn off this sound option. Now, when we go back and type something, there is no sound. As you can see, just listen to it carefully. There is no sound now. So this is how you can turn off the typing sound on your iPhone. I hope this is going to be informative for you and you will get the solution. So thank you so much and may you all have a great day.